Why custom shirts? Our fully custom shirts are exactly as they sound. Why wear baggy shirts? Why, if you have a smaller collar, you don't get a right fit shirt. If you have a bigger neck, again, you don't get a right fit shirt. It's a parachute fit or looks like a grandfather's shirt if it's long sleeves. At Bomcrewmall, we make sure if your collar is 16 and a half and you're better off 16.75, we go to that extent. If a standard shirt collar is 16 and a half, you're better off at 16.25 or 16.75, we lock you there. Just because the collar is 16 and a half and the body is for a certain, chest 42 inches, but you may be a 40 inches or a 43 inches, make sure the chest is correct. Your midsection is narrow, or its midsection is, we say, sign of prosperity, a bigger midsection, we make sure it's made according to that. If it's long tail length, we make sure that the long tail length is correct, not too long, not too short. Both are give us problems. If it's a female shirt, it does look like a women's shirt. Our women's shirts are made to look feminine, with decent sized pockets, a shorter collar in the sense for a feminine touch, long tail, and a correct body fit. You want it a comfort fit, you want a snug fit, or you want it just not too tight, not too loose, correctly on the midsection and so on. We get it because we've been doing this last 31 years. It's the style of pockets. It's company compliant pockets, no problem. You want a traditional button flap open pocket, you want a velcro flap open pocket, or you just want a top open pocket. You want to mix the two pockets. You want a one pen holder, two pen holder, wider pen holder, or a pocket style depending on what you put in. We can design it specially exactly the way you use it. Conclusion, by buying a fully customized shirt, it's not just the sizing, it's choice of fabric, comfortability, durability, the shirt exactly the way you want it. By buying a shirt from us, we guarantee you we'll be the only go-to shop till the end of your flying career. Thank you for your time, and see you around the next Earth cycle. This is Anil signing off. Have a good one.